You know, asking a question like what was the kernel of thinking that I could have a career in television sort of indicates that there was some sort of a plan about it, that I had a goal or something like that. This was, as so many things in my life, it was pretty much sort of chance. And I can tell you this very quickly. When I got out of college, I decided that what I wanted to do was just change the world. It was my turn. It was our generation's turn. We were going to take over and we were going to make things right. And this was going to work. So I went into politics. I mean, I hate to say this. I went into politics and I worked for several candidates for political office back home in Indiana. And I loved it. But sadly, none of the candidates I ever worked for actually won. And that's a problem. That's a problem. That's sort of, if you listen to the universe, that's the universe saying to you, find another career because this one isn't working for you. So I thought, okay, what am I going to do if I can't change the world by working in politics? Maybe I can be on the other side of the microphone. Maybe I can tell the stories of what happens in politics. So I decided I would become a political reporter. Well, that's a ridiculous, I mean, that's a ridiculous goal because that's just not going to happen. But I didn't know that because I was 20 and I didn't know anything when I was 20.